Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to start with a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Kingdoms, Kings and an Early Republic. 6th क्लास का 6th चैप्टर हिस्ट्री का. इसके हम क्वेश्चन आंसर देखेंगे. फर्स्ट है स्टेट वेदर ट्रू और फॉल्स. राजाज हु लेड द अश्वमेध horse passed through their lands were invited to the sacrifice. इसका ट्रू आएगा. The charioteers sprinkled sacred water on the king. False आएगा. Archaeologists have found places in the settlement of the Janpads. False आएगा. Pots to store grain were made out of painted grey ware. False आएगा. Many cities in the Mahajanpads were fortified. इसका ट्रू आएगा. ठीक है, आगे देखिए. आगे fill in the chart given below with the terms hunter gatherers, farmers, traders, craft persons, herders, those who paid taxes. इसमें those who paid taxes में आएगा. सबसे पहले सेंटर में लेंगे राजा ऑफ द महाजनपद. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पर फार्मर भी आते हैं जो टैक्स पे करते हैं, ट्रेडर्स भी हैं, हर्डर्स भी हैं, हंटर्स एंड गैदरर्स भी हैं और क्राफ्ट पर्सन्स भी हैं जो किसको पे करते हैं, राजा ऑफ द महाजनपद को. ठीक है, आगे देखिए. नेक्स्ट हमारा है हु वर द ग्रुप्स हु कुड नॉट पार्टिसिपेट इन द असेंबलीज ऑफ द गन. वुमेन, स्लेव्स एंड कामकारास कुड नॉट पार्टिसिपेट इन दीज असेंबलीज. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए. व्हाई डिड द राजास ऑफ महाजनपद्स बिल्ड फोर्ट्स. Forts were built by the Rajas of the Mahajanpads because peoples were afraid of attacks from other kings and needed protections. It is also likely that some rulers wanted to show how rich and powerful they were by building large, tall and impressive walls around their cities. Next one है in what ways the present day elections different from the ways in which rulers were chosen in Janpads. In the present day election in India, we have adopted the idea of a universal adult franchise where every person above the age of 18 years has a right to vote. Voting is based on the principle of one man, one vote. The rulers who performed the Ashwamedh sacrifice were recognized as being the rulers of Janpad. Some more questions. Answer the following questions. How were the Rajas chosen in the early times? How were they chosen by about 3000 years? आंसर देखिए इसका. सम ऑफ द राजाज इन द अर्ली टाइम्स वर चूजन बाय द पीपल अबाउट 3000 years ago. Some changes took place in the way rajas were chosen. Some men become recognized as rajas by performing very big sacrifices. Next question है what was the Ashwamedh sacrifice? It was a horse sacrifice performed a ruler after the other rajas had accepted his supremacy and authority. Next है what was the later Vedic literatures? Many books were composed in northern India, especially in the areas drained by the river Ganga and Yamuna. These books were called later Vedic literature because they were composed after the Rig Veda. Next हमारा है name the Veds composed after the Rig Veda. What did they contain? The Veds composed after the Rig Veda were Samved, Yajurved, Atharved. They were composed by the priest and describe how rituals were to be performed. Next question है name the different groups of peoples in the society about 3000 years ago. देखिए the different groups of peoples in the society at this time were priests and warriors, farmers, herders, traders, craft persons, laborers, fishing folk and forest people. Next हमारा what are Janpads? The word Janpad means the land where the Jan sets its foot and settle down. The Rajas who performed big sacrifices were recognized as the Rajas of the Janpad. Last question हमारा what is painted grey ware? Painted grey ware was a specially kind of pottery which had painted designs, usually simple lines and geometrical patterns. Plates and bowls were the most common vessels made. They are extremely fine to touch with a smooth surface. They were used on special occasions to serve food. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.